Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when working with multi-language data in Excel. The issue we're tackling revolves around sorting cells containing special characters like U, SZ, and more. You see, when we try to sort these cells, things don't always end up as expected. Sorting them seems straightforward at first, with making sense, right? Well, here comes the twist. Now let's delve into the solution. As pointed out by Martin Brown, the sort rule in Excel converts accented characters to their unaccented form and uses length as a pre-sort. This explains why words without accents end up close to each other in a rather quirky manner. So, the surprise after sorting is due to this conversion process behind the scenes. Despite VBA correctly evaluating ACs, the sorted list doesn't seem to align with our initial expectations. That's the crux of the issue, right there. In summary, navigating the intricacies of sorting multi-language data in Excel can undoubtedly pose a challenge. Thankfully, understanding the underlying sort rule, which involves converting accented characters and using length as a pre-sort, sheds light on why things may not always align as expected. With that, we've reached the end of today's video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy Excel, ing.